So good morning, kids.
Good morning.
Good morning. The bad guys took my dad's $3,000. The bad guy stole my shoes, but I still found it. What?
I'm glad that you get your shoes back. So this is I work in my office to see you guys secure. You use computer. Today I'm going to tell you like what my job is, and when I was small baby, small kid like you, then what I wanted to be. So let's start. So see, can you read this?
Yes.
What is it?
No.
This one?
Sit all the way down. Thank you.
Awesome. Okay, so before going to the topic what I do, let me ask the question, what is security? So see, there are different kids thinking, hey, what is security? Right? So it's called brainstorming. We ask our brain to tell us what is security. So tell me, what is security? Anybody knows?
Anybody want to guess? Raise your hand to
Yeah.
point to you.
Yes?
To be safe.
To be safe and
Help people not to get hurt from bad guys.
awesome. Yes?
They make sure the bad guys doesn't take your computer.
Awesome. So see, we all want security, right? And before computer, we all want security in our school so that no bad guys can enter. So see, good and bad guy.
Scary.
So should we continue?
Yeah.
Okay, so see, good and bad guy. So everywhere there are good guys and bad guys as well, right? So we need to know who is the bad guy and who is the good guy. So do we know who is the good guy and bad guy?
Yes.
Yes?
Bad guy can steal your stuff.
Yes. Yes.
They can break in cars.
Oh, yes. Anyone? Yes?
Bad guys are scary.
Scary. All are good answers. So bad guys are doing bad things. So who is protecting us? Right? Right? They are different security. They use their vehicle. They use their weapon. They use their some other sources for a good security everywhere. In schools, at home, on roads, malls, everywhere. Okay, so this is police gets us scared everywhere, but we need security in computer also. Agreed? We need security in computer.
Yes.
Why we need? Anybody knows? Yes.
So you can be safe.
You can be safe. Okay, let's before going to security, computer security. Do we know what is computer?
Yes.
Is this computer?
No.
It's a book. Why not it's a computer?
Because it has pages.
Yes.
And
Okay.
it has pictures.
So is this a computer?
Yes.
Why is computer?
Because it has a screen. And it has a keyboard. That's a crown.
Yes. So any device, right, which can take input. You know what is input?
No.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, see, when I ask you 1 plus 1,
Two.
2. Okay, so I ask 1 plus 1. When I ask, this is input. I ask you. And then you listen, right? And then you process with your brain, right? You did 1 plus 1 equals to 2. So this is called thinking or processing. And then you replied me back with 2. So this is answer, right? So we have a brain like computer. So if we ask computer 1 plus 1, does it answer back? Yes. This book cannot take 1 plus 1. So that's why it's not a computer. My phone can be a computer? Yes. Why? Because it can accept 1 plus 1. It can do addition. So you all good babies, all good students have brain like computer. So let's move. Okay. So this is just a map. See, our map, our earth is like which shape? Right? So this is also kind of circle shape. If you see like this. Right? So see, we have so many countries, so many cities, so many towns, right? Do you know any other country name other than USA? Yeah, just speak out.
India.
India. What else?
United States.
Hawaii. Okay.
United States.
China. Yes.
United States.
Yeah. So like us, there are different schools. There are different. Yes.
All right, listening now. Listening.
Good job. So see, let's say we are sitting here, and this is our computer. Somebody in India using computer, somebody in China using computer, somebody in Japan using computer, right? So all using computers. Where? At homes, schools, universities, offices, and on roads, right? Agreed?
Yes.
Let's move on. Okay. So what is this?
Mobile.
What is it? Can you read? We use. Yeah. So, do you have any grandpa or any other in different countries or different cities? How we talk? How we talk? On phone, right? On phone, right? So see, this grandpa is talking to her daughter on call, and you watch this Ryan on YouTube. So how you see? Because Ryan is somewhere else shooting the videos, and you can see Ryan at home. How? Using computer, right? Right? So these are also using computer.
Listening.
Okay? So, okay. So now this is the last slide. So we all know what is computer. We all know why we use computer. We learn what is security. We learn what is good or bad guy, right? And we know who provides us security, the police, right? But for computers, who provides security? Police guys don't do that. Maybe they can catch the bad guys, but how? Who can provide security for computers? Yeah, it's like me, right? So we work in our computers to make sure you guys keep safe when you use your computers. If I'm keeping my laptop there, so it should be locked or unlocked? Locked, so that no bad guy can access to my computer. So do we always keep the mobile and laptop locked when we are away? Then passwords. Do you know what is password? So, can you share me your password? Please, I will give you chocolate. Okay. So just raise your hand. Who give me password? I give chocolate. Okay. So see. Yes. See, this is a bad tactic by a bad guy. I was pretending to be a bad guy, right? So see, chocolate you can be given from your parents, but if I give you chocolate, chocolate might be bad. And if you give me your password, I can steal all your information, your credit card information, your Baba's credit card information. Then I can buy whatever I want, right? So that's another reason. Never ever share passwords for any reason. If some stranger on phone asks you to be my friend because I give you a good ride, I give you choice, will you accept that?
No.
Who will accept that? But he's giving you good toys.
No one. Mama's a bad guy.
Yeah, because such guys have bad intention. Anyone likes this job? Who likes my job?
I think that's good.
Awesome. You want to be scientist,
Yes.
doctor,
Yes.
engineer? Awesome.
The bad guy stole my shoe, but I still found it. What?
I'm glad that you get your shoes back.
How hard do you work?
Oh.
Good question.
Awesome. Very good question. So, and all the day I work in office till 6 p.m. So 8 hours I work, and then when I got tired, then I come back to home. So yes, you have to work hard. So I do. You do? Will you do? Awesome. Yeah, we need to be aware of such guys. Okay? That's why never talk to any such bad guy. Not on roads and not on computers.
Bad guy cannot kill me.
Cannot kill you, yes, because police is there to help you. So will you keep scared?
Yes.
Will you make sure to be away from bad guys?
Yes.
No?
Listening.
So you will never share your passwords with anyone?
No.
Awesome. So you are good guys.
Okay, let's give a round of applause. Great job. Good job bringing it all the way down to their level. Great.
Awesome.
Great. They got it.
Yeah, I was just
love
thinking
it.
how to do that.
You
but
did it.
yeah,
In the
awesome.
police and the security, good connections.
Awesome. Thank you. Thank you. Give me
Thank
opportunity.
you.
It's awesome
Thank
to talk to your students. They are really brilliant.
Yes.
Oh my
Thank
God.
you.
Can't believe.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thanks for